Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your AI understanding with Facebook step by step clearly. To upgrade your AI understanding with Facebook, start by creating a Facebook account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, search for AI focused groups within the platform. Join groups dedicated to artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. Engage with posts and discussions in these groups to gather insights and share knowledge. Next, follow Facebook pages of reputable AI. Stay updated with their latest posts on advancements in the field. Explore Facebook's AI Research Fair page for cutting-edge developments. Attend live discussions or webinars hosted by these pages when available. Utilize Facebook Watch to find documentaries and educational content related to AI. Participate in Q&A sessions or live events to ask questions directly. Search for AI-related events in the Facebook Events section. RSVP to events that interest you and participate actively. Take advantage of Facebook's marketplace to find books or resources on AI. Collaborate with peers you meet within these groups for projects or study sessions. Consider using Facebook's Learning Units feature, if available, for structured learning. Regularly review your newsfeed for new articles and posts related to AI. Engage with content by leaving thoughtful comments or sharing insights. Lastly, create your own posts to discuss your learnings or seek advice. By following these steps consistently, you will significantly enhance your understanding of AI through Facebook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.